Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a coffee lover and planning to upgrade your coffee experience in 2026, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best coffee makers of 2026, covering everything from single-serve pod machines to espresso makers and bean-to-brew systems. I'll break down key features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and help you decide which coffee maker is best for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Keurig K-Supreme Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Supreme is a single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker designed for speed, convenience, and flavor enhancement. It features multi-stream technology, which extracts more flavor from coffee grounds by using multiple water streams instead of one. Key highlights include multi-stream brewing technology, 4 brew sizes, 66-ounce dual-position removable water reservoir, fast one-button operation. In real-world use, the K-Supreme stands out for its consistency and simplicity. It brews coffee quickly and delivers noticeably richer flavor compared to older Keurig models. The large water reservoir means fewer refills, making it ideal for busy mornings or office use. If you rely on coffee pods and want better taste without extra effort, this machine delivers. Pros: excellent flavor extraction for a pod machine, very fast and easy to use, large water reservoir, compact and modern design. Cons: limited to K-Cup pods only. No milk frother included. The Keurig K-Supreme is perfect for users who want fast, hassle-free coffee with improved flavor, making it a top pick for everyday convenience. Number 2. CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine, 20 bar. The CASABREWS CM5418 is a compact espresso machine designed for home baristas. It features a 20-bar professional pressure system and a built-in steam milk frother. Key features include a 20-bar pressure pump, stainless steel body, steam wand for milk frothing, and 34-ounce removable water tank. This machine delivers strong, rich espresso with good crema, especially impressive for its price range. The steam wand performs well for making cappuccinos and lattes, though it requires some practice. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or coffee corners. Pros: strong espresso extraction, milk frother included, compact and stylish design, good value for money. Cons: learning curve for beginners, smaller water tank. If you want real espresso at home without spending a fortune, the CASABREWS CM5418 is a solid and affordable choice. Number 3. Cuisinart SS16 12-cup coffee maker and single-serve brewer. The Cuisinart SS16 is a versatile coffee machine that combines a 12-cup drip coffee maker with a single-serve brewer. Key features include a 12-cup glass carafe, single-serve brewing option, brew strength control, hot and iced coffee modes, brew pause feature. This machine is ideal for households with multiple coffee drinkers. You can brew a full pot for family or guests, or a single cup when you're in a hurry. The flavor is consistent, and the brew strength control allows you to customize your coffee exactly how you like it. Pros: dual brewing options, great for families or offices, customizable brew strength, reliable performance. Cons: takes up more counter space, glass carafe requires careful handling. The Cuisinart SS16 is perfect for users who want flexibility, combining convenience and capacity in one machine. Number 4. Keurig K-Elite Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Elite is a premium single-serve pod coffee maker with added customization features. Key features include strength and temperature control, iced coffee capability, brew sizes from 8 to 12 ounces, programmable settings, premium brushed gold finish. Compared to standard Keurig models, the K-Elite offers more control over taste and temperature. The iced coffee function is a big plus for users who enjoy cold drinks year-round. It's fast, quiet, and designed for those who want convenience without sacrificing customization. Pros: custom strength and temperature, iced coffee mode, premium build quality, easy to use. Cons: more expensive than basic Keurig models, pod-only system. The Keurig K Elite is ideal for users who want premium features and customization in a single-serve coffee maker. Number 5. Breville Grind Control Coffee Maker with Grinder. The Breville BDC650 BSS Grind Control is a high-end coffee maker that grinds beans fresh before brewing. Key features include a built-in conical burr grinder, adjustable grind size and strength, a thermal carafe, programmable auto start, and a bean-to-brew system. This machine is all about freshness and flavor. Grinding beans right before brewing results in noticeably better aroma and taste. The thermal carafe keeps coffee hot without burning it, and the customization options make it ideal for serious coffee lovers. Pros: freshly ground coffee every time. Excellent flavor quality. Thermal carafe keeps coffee hot longer. Highly customizable. Cons: expensive, larger footprint, requires regular cleaning. If you're serious about coffee and want maximum flavor and control, the Breville Grind Control is the best premium option on this list. That's it for today's list of the top 5 best coffee makers of 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which coffee maker you'd choose. All product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.